Welcome to my ShareASale review. Today, I'll be going through the ins and outs of this well-known affiliate marketing network. ShareASale has been around for over 2 decades, providing businesses and marketers with a platform to connect and collaborate. The first thing you'll notice when visiting the ShareASale website is the clean, user-friendly design. It's easy to navigate, and the platform provides quick access to important features like affiliate links, stats, and merchant programs. ShareASale offers a large variety of affiliate programs across various niches. Whether you're looking to promote products in fashion, tech, or health, you can find something that suits your audience. Setting up an account is straightforward, and after registering, you can access the affiliate dashboard where you'll find all the essential tools. This includes a comprehensive list of merchants, affiliate programs, and performance tracking. One standout feature is ShareASale's advanced tracking tools. You can track clicks, sales, and commissions in real time, giving you a clear view of your earnings and performance. They also provide detailed reports, so you can analyze which campaigns are performing the best and which ones need more attention. If you're an affiliate marketer, this can help optimize your efforts and increase earnings. The platform also offers a wide range of payment options, including direct deposit and check payments. However, there is a minimum payout threshold that you'll need to meet before you can withdraw your earnings. It's worth noting that ShareASale charges a $25 setup fee to merchants, which is one of the platform's cons. Another great aspect of ShareASale is its support system. They offer helpful customer service through email and live chat, which can be beneficial if you ever run into any issues. Many users find the support team responsive and knowledgeable, which is always a plus in the affiliate marketing world. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. These resources could help you explore more tools and networks in the affiliate marketing space. As for the downsides, while ShareASale is a powerful platform, the interface can feel a bit overwhelming for newcomers. With so many programs and options available, it might take a little time to get used to navigating everything. Another potential downside is the payment processing time, which can sometimes take longer than expected. Overall, ShareASale is a solid affiliate marketing platform, especially if you're looking for a broad selection of affiliate programs and advanced tracking tools. It's perfect for experienced marketers who want access to detailed reports and real-time performance tracking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tutorials on affiliate marketing tools.